Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I install a slat wall into my living room. Let's go! I am Nicolai Abano from Build with Nick. One of the good things about owning a house is you can do whatever you want. You can add a decking, a garden shed, choosing your own house paint, and add a slat wall. I've been wanting to add a slat wall in my house since I started building my house. Since I'm going for a modern industrial kind of look, adding a slat wall will put a bit more design and character to the house. I decided to install a slat wall in the living room and master bedroom. Disclaimer, I did not install the slat wall by myself, but with the help of Home Project Co. Check them out and I'll leave their Instagram page under the comment section below. I ordered a timber paneling wood for my slat wall. Using this kind of slat wall gives an aesthetic, warm look, and a point of difference. Let's do some b-roll on how to install the slat wall in my living room and master bedroom. Here is the before and after. That's it! I hope you liked the installation of slat wall guide. If you are based in WA and want to install a slat wall, you can definitely contact Home Project Co. Otherwise, contact your nearest tradies. Adding a slat wall made the living room and master bedroom a bit more alive and modern. As always, if you like the video, smash the like button. Feel free to share the video and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you soon.